In this video, we will be learning about how we can add text to Davinci Resolve as fast as possible. So join with my channel and keep watching.
Suppose I need to add text to this timeline and I will add it to the top layer. So what I can do is first I need to go to my effects tab and click on it, and next here we have this titles option. So here you can preview. So how to preview this? You can drag the mouse along this bar from left to right and you can see a preview as shown in the screen. Or else if you select this basic title, it does not have any effects, so it will be still. And we have a lot of titles like this. For this tutorial I will be using this basic title text. So what I can do next is we can drag this effect onto the top layer. So now it's on our screen. As you can see, the basic text is visible, but it is very hard to see. So how can we fix this? Okay, next what we have to do is first we have to make sure that this text is selected. So I will click on this and it is now highlighted in orange, which means that it is selected. Next what I am going to do is I will click on this inspector, and here we can give and change the text. Let's say my text. Okay, now it's very hard to see, so we can change the color now. Let me put it as black, and now it's visible. And we have a lot of options to change the font from here, as well as you can change the size to make it larger, as well as you can control the spacing by using these kind of adjustments. And there are a lot of features, and we can change the font style, make it underline, and also we have alignment options, as well as this option is very important, which helps us to make changes to the position. So you can adjust the position by using this and zoom in and out like this. And also if you want to change the angle, you can do that here. And also we can add a stroke. Let me add orange and increase the size, and here you can see that we have a stroke outside, and if you want to limit it only to the outside, you can click this, and there are a lot of options. Please go through this and practice. And now to adjust the duration, you can simply drag this clip along the timeline and you can adjust accordingly. So thank you very much for watching this quick tutorial on how to add text to Davinci Resolve.